Hey everyone, welcome to Trade with Rob, brought to you by wealthbuildershq.com. This update is for Friday, January 9th, 2026. Hope you're having a great day. I hope you had a wonderful holiday, a great season. We take a couple of weeks off. I do, that I'm not teaching or doing any classes or any of that, any of these recordings. So this is actually our first one back. As we get started, keep in mind everything we look at is for education and nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. All right. So we're going to start off with the S&P 500. We've had a great run. I mean, an absolute great run. Yesterday was an all-time high. We had a nice pullback today. If this is it and we bounce from here, we've got a higher low. I'm loving everything about this. Downside target right now is that 69.03. Upside is going to be what is the actual all-time high, which is right here, of 69.55, 69. From there, it's 7,000. That's our next target, is right up there. All right. So we're going to see if we can't press above that 69.66 level to give us an all-time high. Our very first candidate in our list of three. Remember, what we do here is called a switchback trade. We're ideally looking for stocks that have the ability to move in both directions, up or down. I don't care which way it goes. I just care that it goes. Right. I will lay out what I like best about each one. First, last on each of them. So you know which way I would prefer that trade to go. So I like Broadcom, AVGO, a lot. I love the pattern. So I like it better to the downside. So we're going to grab some red. Small move down, retest, fail. Take the trade off of the fail. Put the target, if the support is at 320, my target's going to be about 322. My stop's going to be just on the other side of that 330.70 support. For the upside, if we pull back down to here and bounce, I'll take the trade, take the bullish entry right off here. My resistance is at 341. My target's going to be about 339. You may make it 339.5, 338.5, whatever works best for you. My stop will be just on the other side of that 330.70 level. So that's number one, CEG, which is Constellation. Let's get a look at the entire fib. All right, fib itself is great. Great move in the last 4 days. What side do I like better? Oh, the downside for sure. We're at a key level. We're sitting at a fib line. I don't care which way it bounces. Break and retest, fail, bounce, and take off. Either way works. Small move down. Retest. Doesn't have to go all the way and fail. We're going to take that trade as it fails off of that 324 level. If support's at 305, my target here is going to be right about 308. 308.5, 309, somewhere in that area. My stop will be just on the other side of that 324 level. For the opposite direction, for the upside, small move up, pull back, bounce. I'm not taking the run to the upside without the bounce. There's the entry. Stops down here. If resistance is at 342, my target's going to be about 340. 339, somewhere in that area. That's a zero. Somewhere in that area-ish. Right, and last is SNPS. Go look at a chart of SNPS. That big gap, we have not filled yet at this point, so we've got the opportunity to move back up in there again. We've got a great move to the upside, so I like the upside as our first move. So give me a break above that 516.29 level, retest it, and then bounce. If it does, I'm going to take the trade off of the bounce. Right, my resistance is at 548.25. My target's going to be right about 545, 544, somewhere around there. My stop just down below that 516.29. For the opposite direction, on a fail, move up, fail, take the trade off of the fail. Support's down at 500. My target's going to be right about 503, 504, somewhere around there. My stop just on the other side of that 516.29 level. And there you have it, folks. There's three candidates. Each one of them gives us an opportunity tomorrow. So if the market opens up tomorrow, we've got three potential bullish trades. If the market opens down tomorrow, we've got three potential bearish trades. If one or two of these fail and flan off and give us nothing, I expect that anyway. So with that, make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it. And remember, you're just one trade away. I'll see you all on our next update. Bye for now.